swing, whole thing, whole thing. Starting with the one hand turn. If you're not ready, tell me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. That's called a one hand. This is called two hand. This is called a cross hand. This is called beside me. This is called connect. And we start again. Mambo. I'll cut things down now. Instead of sets of twos, everything is a set of one. Everything. You hear me? Okay, so I'm not staying here doing bass, doing a long time. So everything is one basic, one side, one basic. Everything's one. Basic step. Boom, boom, boom to the side. Boom, boom, boom. Basic. Shoulder to shoulder. Basic. Hands down. I'll do 2 sets of this. We turn. Basic step. I rock back. Boom, 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 and boom, boom. Let's do that again. So right, she knows. So I had to stop her here because I felt her going back, right? So that's what I mean, girls. It's not swing. Bump. Da, 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 da. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's do this. We're going to stop on 9. And we're going to practice this next week. We're going to stop on 9. You're just going to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, without going anywhere, do 10, 11, 12. So the practice version is this. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now do it. 10, 11.